Beyond the twisted trees, a curious wanderer finds a path beckoning her towards the unknown. In the heart of the forest, a dazzling garden blooms, each sunflower whispering tales of hope and strength. Drawn by the dancing sunflowers, she stands in awe, feeling a pull towards the wisdom they hold. From the shadows, a guardian appears, her presence enveloping the seeker with a sense of mystery and purpose. With a gentle beckon, Ivy unveils a secret path, inviting the wanderer to venture deeper into the garden's mysteries. A shadow falls over the garden, a mysterious obstacle testing the seeker's courage and determination. Hand in hand with hidden allies, she stands firm against the encroaching shadows, a glimmer of unity in the face of adversity. Through Ivy's teachings, her spirit brightens, embracing the magic of teamwork and optimism in the face of uncertainty. Armed with wisdom and creativity, she faces the obstacle head-on, her resolve unshakable in the midst of challenge. The obstacle dissolves into light, a testament to her growth and understanding, validated by the garden's silent approval. Amidst blooming sunflowers, a sense of peace descends, the seeker standing tall and victorious, her journey intertwined with the magic of the garden. With gratitude in her heart, she steps beyond the garden's veil, a beacon of light and resilience, ready to share its lessons with the world.